PC3 chemicals for all your concrete and allied products. PC3 chemicals in manufacturing of concrete blocks. PC3 gives you good finish and high early strength without curing. We deliver what is required in manufacturing of your concrete products. 10 benefits of using PC3 chemicals. 1. Super fast setting. 2. Clean molds. 3. Zero damages. 4. Early shifting. 5. Self-curing. 6. Early dispatch. 7. More numbers of bricks and blocks. 8. High surface finish. 9. Early high strength. 10. 5 to 20% cement reduction. Use PC3 chemicals and take your business to next level.